Hello and welcome to EarthTab Business School. My name is Jun Wang and I will be your course preceptor for the course Introduction to Music Theory. Understanding musical genres and styles is an in-depth, analytical, and immersive course designed to explore the vast universe of music through the lens of genre, culture, form, and function. From the structured grandeur of classical symphonies to the rebellious rawness of punk rock, the poetic pulse of hip-hop, and the synthesized rhythms of electronic dance music, this course provides a comprehensive exploration of the world's most influential and expressive musical forms. You will examine not only the technical and structural components that define each genre, but also their social, political, and cultural significance. The course aims to equip you with the tools to critically analyze, interpret, and appreciate music from across time periods and geographies, recognizing the interconnections and transformations that continue to shape the global music scene. Course objectives. By the end of this course, you will be able to define and distinguish between various musical genres and styles based on instrumentation, form, rhythm, lyrical content, and cultural origins. Trace the historical development of key music genres across different eras and regions. Understand the socio-political and cultural forces that influence musical evolution and audience reception. Analyze and critique musical pieces based on stylistic elements and genre-specific characteristics. Identify crossover and fusion genres, recognizing how globalization and technology contribute to hybrid musical expressions. Apply theoretical knowledge in real-world contexts such as music curation, production, education, and performance. Core themes: genre as a cultural and artistic construct, evolution and transformation of musical styles, influence of technology and media on musical dissemination, role of identity, ethnicity, and geography in musical expression, the commercial versus authentic tension in popular genres, cross-genre experimentation, and fusion course format. 10 comprehensive modules, outlined in previous message, multimedia examples, YouTube links, Spotify playlists, album covers, etc. Quizzes for every module, AD format, suggested listening guides for deeper immersion, mini assignments and genre, based research final evaluation, optional, genre analysis essay or audio review presentation. Who should take this course? This course is ideal for aspiring musicians and performers, music teachers and students, secondary, tertiary, or self-taught, content creators, music critics, and podcast hosts, DJs, music producers, and event curators, general audiences seeking musical literacy and appreciation. No prior music theory knowledge is required, but a genuine interest in music is essential. Learning outcomes. After completing the course, you will be able to differentiate with clarity between dozens of musical styles. Critically listen to music, identifying instruments, arrangements, and stylistic signatures. Gain cultural competency, understanding how history and society shape music. Build a personal musical lexicon to guide their creative, academic, or professional paths. Be better prepared to communicate, teach, or curate music for diverse audiences. I look forward to congratulating you upon completion of this course.